Get over here and help us fudge these blueprints.
How do you expect me to fudge without any fudge?
What's more important, your stomach or Ma's birthday?
Well, I don't see what fudging blueprints has got to do with Ma's birthday anyways.
Ooh, with these changes, we'll be able to give Ma that special present she's always wanted.
Yeah, a nest egg for her retirement.
A day without a look at me money bin is like a day without sunshine. I love the way the bin stands, like an immovable fortress. The way the dollar sign glints with the morning dew. The way the bulldozers plough up the land. Bulldozers! What do you think you're doing on my property?
Building a new superhighway, sir.
What superhighway?
The one going right through here.
I'll be pillow stuffing before that happens. Look here, Mr. Mayor. The city's got to change its plans. I'm not about to move me money bin.
Sorry, Mr. McDuck, but the plans were approved months ago.
Then tunnel under my land.
No.
Build a colossal bridge.
Oh, sorry.
Move Duckburg.
Look, you can't fight City Hall, Mr. McDuck.
What are you doing in the worry room, Uncle Scrooge? You look like you lost a penny in a gumball machine.
Worse, I have to move me bunny bin.
Heavy.
Aye, the pets.
No, he meant the bunny bin is heavy. Yeah, how you gonna move it with all that money inside?
I never thought of that, Dewey. 3 cubic acres of money is a lot of liquid assets.
Liquid assets? Is there a leak in the roof?
Ah, it's a technical term. Means cash. And emptying the bin is going to be like emptying the Pacific Ocean. I'll need an accountant to keep track of it all.